So I thought this thing was completely dead. And off camera, I was able to hold the reset button and get it to boot. And this was without a speaker connected. So I was like, okay, I'll buy speaker. And I connected the speaker, and it wouldn't boot again. And I was like, okay, great. I wasted my time and my money. And then I was able to get it to boot off camera again, for like a couple seconds, and then it just died and didn't boot again. So, yeah. I got capacitors, and crystal oscillators. Hopefully I only have to replace the capacitor, because it looks like the other one, yeah, that looks a lot more difficult. So here's hoping it's just the capacitor, which you can see I already tried to reflow badly. Got the shitty Amazon soldering iron with a pencil to put flux on. Quality. Only the finest of tools for a project like this. The shitty Amazon solder, the shitty Amazon flux, with blobs of solder on the lid. Yeah, that looks good, I think. Pencil. Flux. Just grab the 2 batteries to test with this. Of course, it only takes one, but, you know, just in case one of them's dead or something, because I don't really know. I don't think they are, though. I'm pretty sure those are good. That looked bridged for a second. That was concerning. But I got the capacitor out, and I didn't lift any pads doing it. Nice.
I wanted the saint to come today, right to the ways and the rules of the world. Right to the ways of the world.
I think I got it. I don't really know. Time to clean the flux off. Just hoping this works. It booted immediately. Yeah, it seems to be working. Wow. Nice. So I was right, it was the capacitor that was bad. Huh. Cool. Well, I'm glad to have this working. I mean, I mean, I was happy with just the one that I had, that I knew I had working. Like I was happy with just that. I mean, because that's still like, the lot was like 2 as for parts units, and getting even one of them working is a W in my opinion. But having both of them working, that's nice. I'm really happy with this. Yay, 1 screw missing. Boots up immediately. Looks like all the screen is visible except for... Yeah, looks like all the screen is visible except for the one line that was already bad. I believe that is one of, like... I don't know. Last time when I looked at that part of that side of the board, it looked like the contact, like one of the contacts for the screen just looked sus, and it always had like the that little line of dead pixels. Like even in the eBay listing, I could see the little line of dead pixels, and I think the seller mentioned that it had a line of dead pixels. And this was actually the one that the seller listed as like partially working. Like it was a lot of 2 units, and one of them was listed as like completely dead, and the other one was partially working with dead pixels. What ended up happening was the one that was completely dead had like it just had the reset button was stuck and it wouldn't boot because of that. And the one with the dead pixels, maybe it was something I did when I resoldered the speaker, but I don't think so. I think it was just a coincidence. But the capacitor was bad. Also, the screen backing was royally effed. So I just swapped in, just cut a piece of like foil paper to fit. Yeah, I'm happy this worked. So